Hello everyone. So we have here Kia Bongo 3 4x4 single cab. So naka-semi-loaded po yung unit natin. And then meron na po yung chrome, tinted glass, and also may hubcap na po yung unit natin. So this is our cargo box. So makapal po yung cargo box natin. And then the interior, yung seat cover natin, naka-customize na po yan. And then naka-air condition na po yung unit natin with stereo and also with speaker. So may freebies po tayo. Power steering, jack, and then cross wrench, and warning device. And then naka-register na rin po yung unit natin. At 1-month warranty for engine, aircon, and transmission. So for more inquiries, you can call or text the number below. Thank you.